Surprise egg! Surprise egg! It's so heavy. How can we open it? We open. Open. Surprise egg! So cool! Let's open them, Cuquin. Choose one. No, all of them. Not all, Cuquin. Just one by one. Number 2, the pink Pink egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A cockroach.
La cucaracha, la cucaracha. All she wanted was to run. She doesn't notice a wheel is missing. Now she won't have any chance. La
Right! Mama! Number 1. The green egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! A spider.
Itsy bitsy spider, he never had to talk. All he had to do was pin his web. He worked, 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 and when the time was right, the itsy bitsy spider, he cries, he cries, he cries. The itsy bitsy spider, the sun is on his side.
Yay! Mama! Number 3. The orange egg. Open, open, open. Surprise! An ant. Yay!
The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, hurrah, hurrah. The ants go marching in 5 by 5, and finally Cuquin is diving so high and the water is splashing a lot, very much all around.
Cleo and Cuquin episodes now available on the app. Also edutainment and musical videos for the whole family. Download it now.
Purple ball. Green ball. Purple ball. Green ball. Blue ball. Not green, blue. No, that's purple. No, not yellow. Blue ball. Blue ball, mine. Blue ball, mine. Whoa! Blue ball. Blue ball. Blue ball.